Today we want to explore a tracking issue of DJI's Pocket 2 and compare it with the Osmo Pocket 1. Let's check it out.
Hello. Hey, water is coming ahead here. There's water in the stream. It's amazing. Welcome to Marcosini, the place for the outdoors and creativity meet technology. I'm Marcos Capelli, Senior.
Stop. Did you see just that? Did you see the movement of the gimbal? How the camera is very shaky?
Today I would like to test out a new camera that I have here, the DJI Pocket 2. I'm a big fan of the Pocket 1 and I just want to test it out, how it is. I tested it originally when I got it a few months ago and was very unhappy with the face tracking. Now I want to test it out and compare it also to the Osmo Pocket 1, which there was no issue whatsoever. Already right now I see that things are moving back and forth a little bit, not 100% sure. Let's test it out. Let's go, Willow, and test out the Pocket 2. Do you want to test out the Pocket 2? Let's test it out, eh? I'm setting the quality setting here to high for this first test, and the quality setting on this Pocket 2 here, or Pocket 2, also to high. Yes, I know it needs more battery. I have the Osmo Pocket and Pocket 2 here set to recording in high quality. Let's see how it takes the tracking here. It tracks perfectly fine. I'm not recording right now, I'm just basically in preview mode. Okay, now let me hit record. I'm recording on the Osmo Pocket and I'm recording here also on the Pocket 2. And let's see how it works. The Osmo Pocket works pretty fine. Oh my gosh, Pocket 2 already lost me, caught me a little bit, and oh my gosh, I think Pocket 2 has a major problem. This is with recording quality set to high. Let's try one more time. So far I'm not recording yet, but I'm just having it following me, and let's hit recording. Recording Osmo Pocket, recording Pocket 2, and let's see if it follows me. Okay, Osmo Pocket is going strong. Pocket 2. Okay, this time it follows a bit better. Oops, Pocket 2 lost me. Osmo Pocket is still going pretty strong here. Oh, Pocket 2 found me again and lost me, whereas Pocket 1 still has me. Oh, it got me back again. Okay. But, okay, interesting. I think Pocket 2 lost me completely. Let's set the quality settings to low now to do the same test. Let's change the quality settings here to low, conserve battery, and the same thing here on the Pocket 2 as well. Quality setting is to battery saver. Okay, both are recentered. Face tracking is on, and I have now both cameras set to recording quality to low to conserve battery life. So let's see how this works. Right now I'm still just doing preview, all good. Now I hit recording on the Osmo Pocket and Pocket 2 as well. Let's see how this works. Okay, pretty good. Osmo Pocket is pretty good. Looks like Pocket 2 does a better job. Let's go. Wow, look at this here. They're both going pretty strong here. Wow. Again, the recording quality is set to low now. Oh, a little hiccup with Pocket 2, but got me again. Let me see. Grabs me again. Let's go down here. The picture is not easy because I have a very bright background, so. But Pocket 1 is pretty strong, but you know what, Pocket 2 does. Oh, okay, now Pocket 2 lost me as well, but was much better. Let's do one more test. Reset the cameras. Let's see how this works. Looks pretty fine here. Recording quality set too low to conserve battery life. Oops, Pocket 2 had a little hiccup there, but still being able to follow me. Okay, much better, much better. Again, the recording quality is set too low on both cameras. Osmo Pocket has no problem at all. Pocket 2, yeah, that's true. Let's call it further away. Oops. Let's go further away here. They're both doing a pretty good job of following me here. Oh yeah, look at this, pretty good. They follow me pretty well. Let's walk back here. Let's walk back here behind my Sony A7III. I guess Pocket 2 still has me here. Let's see on this side here. Okay, Pocket 2 is still coming here, whereas Pocket 1 lost me actually. That's interesting. Normally it's the reverse. Pretty good actually. Pretty good, I like that. Okay, I think Pocket 2 lost me too. Okay, now I want to do another test here. Quality setting too low. I want to do sideways. See if they can follow me in the profile. No idea. This is even a feature. Looks like it works on both of them. Let me see if I go a bit further and further back. Are they still following me? Oh yeah, good. I like that. I'm in a profile. Wow, yeah. Perfect. They both follow me pretty well. And on some tests before didn't work, but this time it does work. Wow, look at that. I think they lost me now. Oh, Osmo Pocket, still going strong here. Let me see. Can you actually follow me completely around? Can you do that? No, it doesn't. Looks like in face tracking mode it only goes a certain distance. But the interesting part is I'm walking back in and it follows me. So there's definitely a big improvement there. Where's the Pocket 1? Looks away. Okay, I guess. Okay. In conclusion, what do we think about it? Both cameras, the Osmo Pocket and the Pocket 2, perform pretty well in low recording quality. Yes, the Osmo Pocket still goes a bit better in general, but the Pocket 2 could follow me much better around, whereas Osmo Pocket lost me at one point. Now when you switch over to high quality recording, different story. Osmo Pocket strong as ever, whereas Pocket 2 lost me pretty fast. Now, what could it be? I think it has something to do with the hardware and software. I think the Pocket 2 has to render more and the hardware cannot follow. Now, is it too weak of a hardware? Or maybe it's the software that just needs to be optimized. Let's hope the guys at DJI can figure it out and hopefully provide a firmware upgrade that can fix it.
During post-production I realized that the Pocket 2 has a much harder time to adjust aperture, most likely because of its wider lens and the very harsh, heavily lit background, the sky. This makes it harder for the gimbal to track properly.
Thank you for watching. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe, hit the like button, and see you around. And yes, Willow, can I introduce you to my assistant, Willow? Yes, Willow wants to go home. Let's go home, Willow, okay? Let's go home. Bye for now.